What's like? What's up? Intermission sama teman-teman. Boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story that you know it was real. Boy from the hills, I'm the boy. Everyone, come on! I'm my story that you know it was real. Boy from the hills. Boy from the hills, I'm the boy from the hills. I'm the boy from the hills. Know my story, bet you know it was real. Boy from the hills. Boy from the hills. Thank you. First of all, ATHONG YIMKHIUNG, everyone. I just want to say something. Just recently, I had an operation in my mouth, so my pronunciation a lot dictar over there. So please bear with me. Yeah. So, Mom Bota Manu. Wow. Thank you. Balrat Jise Jagali, I want to thank our brother Rimsong. Balrat Dimapura, Munasati Muzunge, Samantar Tak Punjai Diagane. Thank you so much. Gari to not too fast to July, really. Balrat July. Mok in a rock your doctor Gado, 1 2 months ago, say proper clarity to Avile. So I love you, go, I love you, I love you. Look, beautiful work. And yeah, I got a couple of songs. As you know, Bilamili, English, Angamilati, Jerry Kudo, Nagamisu Kudo. Maybe you guys might know some of the songs. If you know, please join with me. Aro, Akadiri Space Kuma Seto, if you can come also. Last thing we share, and please don't mind me, since this is the informal session, maybe I'm gonna a lot informal. So, if you know the informal, I go there. And I also hope that we'll make this night a night to remember. So thank you so much once again. This next song is called Go Hard. Let's go. Shabato, are you with me? Yes. Check it. They should rap stack, I'ma bring it right back. With that boom back rap and the hooks go flat. I'm about to resurrect in this place with the mic. Cause I'm sick with it, all about the rap. Back to the rhythm of the beat with the feeling from beneath. Get your feeling on your feet, tell your mama it is me. M-O-K-O, I go K-O, flow like J-Lo. Hey, guess who in the building? Mr. Kimber Golden. Take your riches down to get your brain storming. Here's the little freestyle that I'm about to kill with slow jam. Oh, did I double time? Nah, I'm just messing it. I'm just cruising through the beat while you tapping on your feet. Something that you wanna see, call this shit a memory. Hey, I never beat you, must have heard of me. Switching out flows like Dave Eastside. Rapping my city, and we go so hard. Rapping it fitted, we about to go hard. Rapping my city, and we go so hard. Rapping it fitted, and we about to go hard. Rapping my city, and we go so hard. Rapping it fitted, and we about to go hard. Rapping my city, and we go so hard. Rapping it fitted. See your fellow, hit the pedal, win the lotto, never fell off, that was in the middle, cause I just killed the issue. Who you thought I'm talking to? Who you thought I'm talking about? Talking shit like the price tag, man, I'm going up. Why you jump in the river when you can't flow? I flow like the Amazon, till I risk the show. Chopping words for dessert, cause I'm still hungry. I'm not a vegetarian, wet rappers only. Started from the bottom, and I'm about to be there, so you never stop hustling. All these shit, why to reconnect, call my misdirection to my intellect state. With the rock perception, fitting on my ego, and I'm turning to a big one. When you see me coming, I suggest you stay the pizza. Ain't no better reason, you gon' probably like the outcome. Verbally abusing you, that's it, I'm done. Rapping my city, I'll be going so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. Rapping my city, I'll be going so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. Rapping my city, I'll be going so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. Rapping my city, I'll be going so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. Rapping my city, I'll be going so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. my city, yeah, we go so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. Rapping my city, yeah, we go so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up. Rapping my city, yeah, we go so hard. Rapping infinity, we about to blow up.
Sorry. Camera angle biya horana. This is secret. To me, try to go.
나가 만나 불러가네 마탈로 걸어보는 거데. 너 보게 되니? My name is Boko Goza. Muido Chagasang Manu. And then I've been, rap career to me pila high school time ra kana to rap puri na ya ito tak rap prese. All operation me personally rap career to China isora was dia tak to puri to go. Yeah. Wow. Aste jama was na. Korom mui gana serial voice career na aste na pura josh to ina jala sabte banai ste. So well, elders kami, please bear with me. Rap gana do anyaman nakone wala. Would you please bear with me? English kurde kina nagamistri kusuo. This next song is called Each One Teach One. Let's go. Yeah. Are you with me? Check.
Knock, knock, who's there? Plastic, who? 100% plastic band. I'm the rapper throwing rappers in the garbage can. Somebody called it plastic and be laying into the band. Remember when we were 7 and 10, talking by the Candyman. Mama told me put the rappers in your pants. Taking out the rappers in the rubber band. Time to wipe the leaders, way to better Nagaland. 20 years later, I'm putting that in practice. Preaching like a pastor, I'm saying no to plastic. Hashtag, make the waste back, encourage that. Recipes to plastic, make the balance that. What erase that? Family, community, are you all ready? People of Salvador, let me see those hands up one time. Here we go. One more time, we gotta rock the show. Put your hands up. Here we go. Each one, teach one, let it go. Put your hands up. Here we go. One more time, we gotta rock the show. Put your hands up. Here we go. Each one, teach one, let it go. So cliche, I just didn't overbuy. Ito lang bang naloy na bearable job. Headphones on and I'm in my zone. Ito gana huligin ang Uribo Road. Sabi-sabihin ko mo'y kanaga manukat. Huwag kong bisipon, kulibin na kurika. Nimban ko, teko, higin na tayo paripo. Bakal sa lito, volume kong ihujabo. So, mano, ikinokoy ko mamano ase. Was willing to watch the man really working for me. See your world is big quick, but the plastic's in. Plastic's in, don't let the plastic. Nature lang ang jaga ase mo ang kuripi. Ekyo rikopi, ito mano kutupi. So, mano, ikilokot ay hili ito. Kili na pa rin na, amikan, so alubin. Ganoon! Yes, sir! Here we go. One more time, we gotta rock the show. Put your hands up. Here we go. Each one, teach one, let it go. Put your hands up. Here we go. One more time, we gotta rock the show. Put your hands up. Here we go. Each one, teach one, let it go. Put your hands up. Here we go. One more time, we gotta rock the show. Put your hands up. Here we go. Each one, teach one, let it go. Put your hands up. Here we go. One more time, we gotta rock the show. Put your hands up. Here we go. Each one, teach one, let it grow. Everybody, please make some noise for yourself, man. Everyone. So much for the jump on the delay. Thank you so much.
뭐이나 솔로 소모도르도 하나 볼래 했는데 콜라라네 지금은 콜라라네 나랑 하나 그냥 그거 콜라로 달리는구나. Anyways, it's a very beautiful day, and today being the last, I'm very sure most of the people must be exhausted also. Will you be kushi Latin, sir? Someone look kushi as na?
Yes!
People are someone to, only I'll see you again, no, na someone look kushi as na? If like next, later next, gonna go, Galvi, gonna Ramdo, happy today with us day. Do you guys know the song? Happy today.
Yes!
Kushi Latin, sir, but kushi lagana mi guru. Cause I'm happy today, I'm happy. And I don't give a word what you think about me. Say I don't give a word what you say about me. Cause I'm happy today, I'm happy. And I don't give a word what you think about me. Say I don't give a word what you say about me. Hello. This song is called Happy Today, and I would like to dedicate this to the beautiful people of Samator. Let's go. Yeah. What's up, people? Are you happy?
Yes!
I can't hear you. I said, are you happy?
Yes!
If you're happy, let me see your hands up. And sing the chorus with everyone. Sing it! Yes, I'm happy today. I'm happy today. And I don't give a word what you think about me. Say I don't give a word what you say about me. Yes, I'm happy today. I'm happy today. And I don't give a word what you think about me. Say I don't give a word what you say about me. Sitting like a jet ski, cruising on the skyline. I'm just going on and on, sitting like a timeline. Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Now it's me, I'm just doing my thing. I got no reason to be down today. All my homies chilling out, we on the way. Cheers to the life that we're living right now. We only live once, but you gotta make a friend. Take no stress, get a break from the pressure. While you suffocating, you is missing out that every dread is a blessing. Why you got to worry about a lesson? We don't have to think the same way. Yeah, we're different cause today's my day. I'ma live my own way. Ain't nobody gonna tell me I ain't doing okay. I've been holding it up, scars for my face. That's a must that I got to say. Everybody say it! I can hear you! And I don't give a word what you think about me. Say I don't give a word what you say about me. Say what? Everybody, let me see your hands up. Take it. Hey, 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 hey. And I don't give a what you think about me. Say I don't give a what you say about me. Yes, I'm happy today. I'm happy today. And I don't give a what you think about me. Everybody, we're gonna do this one more time. Take it. Yeah.
some shit.
That's how we do it in Chicago, right? Crowd tu mutsaso, vibe maso, maso. Maybe Sabato de perform kruga do mera bucket list thakise to finally tick off korbo mera bucket list ra. Sabato de perform korise. Eta to lock bachina ase, long line bachina ase, aru melori tinta. Nagalan sob cover bole to. Sabato lagi tick off korbo. Mui nagamano ita kodilla nan sai yudo to ne na 6. You guys know the song one day lagana chande. Just last night I was thinking about you. All my hopes were right on you. Open my eyes for something new. Maybe I can. Cause last night I was thinking about you. I opened my eyes for something new. This next song is called One Day. Let's go. We're gonna do this together.
Nagali.
Made in 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 Nagali. Made in Nagali.
Alright, this song is called Made in Nagali.